Welcome to A&M Education, College of Creativity and Technology. Today in this session, we are going to discuss on the topic Strategic Intent. Strategic intent can be understood as the philosophical base of strategic management process. It implies the purpose which an organization endeavors of achieving. Strategic intent is a statement which provides a perspective of the means which will lead the organization to reach the vision in the long run. Strategic intent gives an idea of what the organization desires to attain in future. It answers the question what the organization stands for. It indicates the long-term market position which the organization desires to create opportunities for exploring new possibilities. Strategic intent is the planned direction to be pursued by the organization. It is a short and inspiring statement of what the organization intends to become and to achieve at some point in the future. Strategic intent is the image that an organization must have of its goals before it sets out to reach them. It describes the aspiration for the future without specifying the means that will be used to achieve those desired ends. It is stable over time and set goals that deserve personal effort and commitment. It is a vision that defines the desired leadership position for the organization and grounds the objectives by which success will be assessed. Strategic intent is the heart of all strategy. Strategic intent is very important concept of management that is explained as a high-level statement of the means by which an organization achieves its vision. In present business scenario, management team makes extreme efforts to go with competitive advantage of their international competitors, but most of them are imitating the activities of rivals. Imitation does not really produce the strategic intent, as competitors have already implemented those techniques and get advantages. Imitation is not a solution of competitive rivals. Strategic intent drives organizations, individuals and groups to overcome the challenges of change in the business. Strategic intent is a notion that emerged in post-World War as world leader in economy. For example, Japanese organization had set goals for themselves that might have been considered by most of the Western organizations of that time as highly impractical. But with few resources and highly committed labor force, Japan was then able to lay the foundation for 10 to 15 years of leadership in terms of economy. From Japan, all international business leaders learned how to surpass when there are limited resources and companies face huge challenges. To realize strategic intent, some level of activities and behavior is required. Such activities comprise management focusing the attention of organization on the essence of winning and motivating people by communicating the value of the target, leaving room for individual and team contribution. Sustaining enthusiasm by providing new operational definition as circumstances changes and using intent consistently to guide resource allocation. Now, let us know about strategic intent hierarchy. The strategic intent hierarchy includes the following. First, vision. Second, mission. Third, business definition. Fourth, business model. Fifth, goals and objectives.